Today, we're diving into the SereneLife electric folding treadmill, a game-changer in compact fitness. The foldable design with a hydraulic system makes setup and storage a breeze. What sets this treadmill apart is its seamless integration with the FitShow app through Bluetooth, offering a range of features from recording and reviewing training data to challenging friends and sharing fitness milestones on social media. This treadmill boasts 12 preset training modes designed for weight loss, cardio fitness, and building stamina. Powered by a 1.0 HP motor, it provides a 39.37-inch by 15.74-inch running belt surface with adjustable speeds ranging from 0.6 to 6.0 miles per hour. The digital LCD display and touch button controls keep you informed of essential metrics like run time, distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate. Hand grip sensors further enhance the experience by monitoring your BPM pulse. What's impressive is the manual incline adjustment feature, allowing you to tailor your workout intensity. The integrated safety key emergency power-off function ensures your well-being during exercise. Plus, it comes with convenient extras like a built-in book magazine tray and a cup holder, adding practicality to your workout routine. In terms of specifications, the SereneLife treadmill is constructed with alloy steel, ensuring durability and stability. The sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication to your home gym. With dimensions of 25.2-inch dx24, wx49.2-h, this portable treadmill fits seamlessly into small spaces. Whether you're walking, jogging, or engaging in a full-on running session, the SereneLife electric folding treadmill proves to be a reliable and feature-rich fitness companion. It's a smart investment for those looking to bring the gym experience home without compromising on space or functionality. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.